What's up? It's Glitter, and today I'm in my kitchen. Well, it's not my kitchen, but it's my grandparents' kitchen, and what's going on with my hair? But yes, this is going to be cooking with Glittery Toad. So I'm gonna grab a plate. Let me try. Like there you go. Okay. And then I don't know what I'm making, but oh well. Then I have these cookies. Oh my god, these are amazing. Wild berry Pop-Tarts. And to touch all that off, cake icing. So, first I'm going to make, because these are going to be like the topping little things I'm going to do, but this, oh my god. Let me just take a bite. This one, hold on. Hold on. Here we go. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, we need a glass. I don't know why we need a glass. Oh, yeah. So, I'm just going to, okay, I'm going to take this. This is our base. And I'm going to open, and I'm going to open these. They're kind of melted. I'm just going to eat one. Oh my god. Okay. We're going to get another piece of paper plate. And we're going to chop it, the little tiny thingies, in half. Into little bites. I would be careful with the knife. But for your own safety, get adult supervision. There we go. I only have like a little bit more. Cut that in half. Cut that in half. And bam. Here's our little thingy. Then we're going to use this fucking knife. Hold on. Okay. Use the knife to cut this open. I've never been stabbed, like accidentally cut myself. And I did that just now. But wow. It doesn't hurt or anything. Wow. Nope. That's my way. Okay. Let me get this off. Open it. Whoa. Whoa, I get to pick one. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. I want to do this one. I think I can take this off. Yes. Can. Okay. Now what? Oh, that feels a little weird. Oh, I have to tighten it. Actually, I don't know. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do. God damn. Oh, I see it. Can you see my hand shaking? Mmm. We're gonna take the little bits and just put it on there for decoration. Here's a long piece. Okay, put that aside. Then we're going to get this off. What kind is this? This is black. Let me get this washed off right quick. Okay, that's not working. Okay, now that you put your cap back on, you get something to drink. But I don't know what I'm gonna drink. You know what? Some vitamin C apple juice. What? It's not juice. Okay. Now you just pour. There's a hair. Hold on. Just pour it. That does not look like it, but okay. Now, I don't know what we're doing. Okay, now you just want to clean up your mess before you get in trouble, before you have this delicious thing. Okay. Now, these I'll leave out for later. Okay, now we are going to move you up and we are going to try. We're going to try. Okay, we can try it. I'm gonna try this bit. Mm. Mm. I would give that a 5, maybe a 4.5 out of 10. It's not bad, but it kind of is. Mm. Uh-huh. I don't know. Just the cake icing that we did. Mm-mm. But this juice though, the juice is pretty good. Mm. Hold on. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys later. And bye!